Hello, it is a question related to Fourier transform. We have given a time domain signal and we have to find its corresponding frequency domain signal. To find we know if we are given a time domain signal xt, then its frequency domain signal x omega is given as integration limit capital infinitive to minus infinitive xt e to the power minus j omega t dt. If we are giving a time domain signal, then its corresponding frequency domain signal is given by this expression. X omega is equal to frequency domain representation, equivalent frequency domain representation of a time domain signal is limit integration limit minus infinitive to infinitive xt e to the power minus j omega t dt. So we are given a rectangular pulse, we have to find out its corresponding time domain signal. So because this function is 0, because the amplitude of this function is 1 in the limits, because the amplitude of this function is 1 in the limit from when the value of in the range from minus t to capital T, its amplitude is 1, otherwise its amplitude is 0. So limit in this one in this function can be changed as capital T to minus capital T, because xt is equal to 1, this may be written as 1 e to the power minus j omega t dt, and when 1 will be multiplied by e to the power minus j omega t, it will be capital T to minus t e to the power minus j omega t dt. Now we know e to the power j theta is equal to cos theta plus j sin theta. So this function may be written as x omega is equal to capital T. We also know integration e to the power m theta d theta is equal to e to the power m theta divided by m plus c. So this may be written as integration capital T to minus t e to the power minus j omega t dt. So this may be written as e to the power minus j omega t divided by minus j omega, range is capital T to minus t. So this may be written as e to the power minus j omega capital T minus e to the power minus j omega multiplied by minus t divided by minus j omega. So capital X omega may be written as e to the power minus j omega t minus e to the power minus plus minus j omega t divided by minus j omega. Now we will apply this formula, e to the power j theta is equal to cos theta plus j sin theta, so it will be cos minus omega t plus j sin minus omega t minus cos omega t. This can be put in bracket, and this will be cos omega t plus j sin omega t divided by minus j omega. So capital X omega may be written as this, because cos minus theta is equal to cos theta and sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So it will be cos omega t minus j sin omega t minus cos omega t minus j sin omega t divided by minus j omega. Cos omega t in plus cos omega t and minus cos omega t numerator will cancel, so it will be minus 2j sin omega t divided by minus j omega, minus j in from numerator and denominator will cancel, so it will be 2 sin omega t divided by omega. It will be 2 sin omega t divided by omega. Now we know sinc function, this function is sinc theta is equal to sin pi theta divided by pi theta. So 2 sin omega t divided by omega may be written as x omega. Using sinc function, this may be written as 2t sinc pi t upon pi. We can check it here, 2t sin pi t upon pi, 2t sinc pi t upon pi, pi t upon pi. This may be written as 2t sinc 2t sinc omega t, sorry, it is x omega 2 sin omega t upon omega. Using sinc function, this may be written as 2t sinc omega t upon pi. So it can be checked here, 2t sinc this can be checked at 2t sinc omega t upon pi. This may be written as, using sinc function, this formula, using this formula, this may be written as 2t sin pi multiplied by omega t upon pi divided by pi into omega t upon pi. So this pi and pi will cancel, this pi and pi will cancel, and this t and t will cancel. So it will be 2 sin omega t divided by omega. So 2 sin omega t divided by omega may be written as 2t sinc omega t upon pi. Now we have to find its frequency domain representation. So if using, clearly it will be a sine function whose magnitude is capital 2t, whose magnitude is capital 2t, and it is a sine function, and its value will and its amplitude will decrease as frequency increases. Its amplitude will decrease as frequency increases, and when this function will cross 0 axis, when omega t, this function will cross 0 axis when omega t upon pi is when this function will cross 0 axis when omega t will be integral multiple of pi n pi. Clearly it will be a sine function whose magnitude will be whose magnitude at t is equal to 0 will be 2t, and its when this function will cross 0 axis, when this value of omega t will be integral multiple of 2 pi. So clearly omega will be plus minus n pi over t. So this function will cross 0 axis at pi upon t, comma 2 pi upon t, comma 3 pi upon t on positive side, and on negative side at minus pi upon t, minus 2 pi upon t, and minus 3 pi upon t. So this may be written as, clearly this using L'Hospital rule, if we apply L'Hospital rule, then its magnitude at t is equal to 0 using L'Hospital rule, using L'Hospital's rule at t is equal to 0, limit omega tends to 0, 2 sin omega t divided by omega. This may be written as 2 sin omega t divided by 0. So this sin this may be written as limit omega tends to 0 to sin omega t. This is 2 sin omega t divided by omega, and here we may multiply and divided by t. So this will be 2t limit omega tends to 0, 2t limits omega tends to 0 sin this will be 2t omega tends to 0 sin omega t divided by omega t, because we know limit theta tends to 0, sin theta upon theta is equal to 1. So its value may be written as 2t. So its spectrum will be like this. This is the frequency axis, this is the frequency axis. This may be written as mod x omega, and its magnitude at t is equal to 0 is 2t. So it will be 2t, and this is a sinusoidal function whose amplitude decreases as frequency increases. This will be in this way, and it will cross as its frequency, its amplitude will be 0 at when frequency is pi upon t. This is 2 pi upon t, this is 3 pi upon t, and it will be minus pi upon t, minus 2 pi upon t, minus 3 pi upon t. So this is its frequency spectrum. Thank you.